Hello dear friends, today we are providing you a video review of fashionable haircuts, cascade for girls and women. Please watch the video till the end and maybe you will find the haircut and hair need for yourself. In the last few years in a row, the well-known cascade has again begun to gain incredible popularity among millions of girls and women around the world. However, modern fashion trends still made little modifications to the usual haircut model, making it more expressive, dynamic, and unusual. Plus, modern coloring trends play an important role, which can best complement this magnificent haircut, making it even more expressive and irresistible, adding incredible volume and grooming to the hair. Modern variations of the cascade are quite versatile and diverse, and therefore any owner of medium and long hair will definitely be able to choose for herself exactly the option that she likes best, and at the same time remain fashionable and stylish in accordance with all the trends of the season. Cascade, first of all, should look slightly casual, which is the best way to recreate the effect of naturalness. At the same time, it is desirable that such a cascade be supplemented with modern fashionable coloring and one of the most popular status or balayage techniques, which give the hair a slightly burnt natural tone due to the special mixing of several shades and a special technique for distributing color along the entire length of the hair. Mandatory presence of a long bang. It can be both asymmetrical and even thick, but the most popular option will be a long bang, a rare ragged bang, which smoothly transitions into the main length with a smooth ladder. Every woman wants to look young and energetic. There is an easy way to do this: cutting and coloring your hair. You will see how not only your appearance will change, but also your internal state. The hairstyle looks great on both light and dark brown hair. The cascade harmonizes well with woven strands. Such a cascade fits perfectly into both an ordinary everyday look and a festive solemn one. You can apply a lot of modern styling and weaving to it, which will help create a truly unique and individual hairstyle. Ladies over 50 years old will be able to make a cascade haircut in its various variations. Certain design features are designed to achieve maximum harmony, taking into account the facial features of a particular woman. It is necessary to pay attention to such moments as the structure of the hair and thinning and coloring in the desired shade. Shades such as caramel, wheaten, chestnut color, balayage, and status techniques that have also been popular in recent seasons, are the best choice for women over 40 and 50 years old, especially for haircuts cascade. Growing will create highlighted accents on the strands, which are so recommended for ladies of age. It doesn't matter if you are a young student or a confident businesswoman, or a housewife who wants to enjoy life with might and main, the cascade haircut will be interesting for you, because its variations are multiple, and the styling is charming and cute. Cascading haircuts are your opportunity to change, rejuvenate, become even more beautiful and younger by getting beautiful haircut options. Dear beauties, we wish you that the world in your eyes is always brighter, beautiful and kinder. Let all your dreams come true. Thank you for watching the review to the end. The best thanks from you is to subscribe to our channel, like and share the video with friends and family. Up to new meetings.